Inside the KFC factory, from chicken to crispy perfection. Every crispy bite of fried chicken has a journey most people never see. Today, we're stepping inside the KFC factory to uncover how it all begins. It starts on carefully managed poultry farms, where chickens are raised in clean, controlled environments designed for health and quality. Once ready, the chickens are transported in temperature-controlled vehicles to modern processing facilities, ensuring freshness every step of the way. Inside the factory, strict hygiene rules take over. Workers in protective gear inspect each chicken as advanced machines begin the processing stage. High-tech equipment cleans and prepares the chicken with precision, using purified water systems designed for food safety and consistency. The chicken is then carefully cut and sorted into wings, thighs, drumsticks, and breasts, each piece handled with speed and accuracy. Before seasoning, trained staff perform additional quality checks to ensure only the best cuts move forward. Now comes the flavor. Large mixers blend the iconic mix of herbs and spices that give KFC its legendary taste. The chicken tumbles through seasoning drums, coating every surface evenly with flavor. Next, the breading process begins. Flour and spices combine to form the crispy coating fans recognize instantly. The breaded chicken is loaded into industrial pressure fryers, where heat and time work their magic. Golden, crispy chicken emerges, perfectly cooked inside and out. After frying, the chicken rests in temperature-controlled areas to maintain freshness and crunch. Automated systems package the chicken into branded boxes, ready for delivery. Each package undergoes one final inspection before heading out. From the factory, the chicken is shipped to restaurants around the world. Finally, it arrives at your local KFC, hot, crispy, and ready to serve. That's the journey from farm to bucket, fast food carefully made.